Hi everyone, welcome to this two-bedroom apartment with master and suite right here in Hurlingham, Nairobi. It's modern, spacious and perfect for someone who is looking for a family or anyone looking for a comfortable long-term home. With a beautiful master and suite and stylish finishes, this apartment truly combines luxury and convenience in one of Nairobi's most sought after locations. So I will take you through all the rooms, starting from the open kitchen area, the living area. We have the first bedroom, the laundry area, the common cloakroom, and the master and suite bedroom. So come with me. We start with the open kitchen area. Right when you get into the house or the apartment, you come and find the open kitchen area here, and you can see the space. It is so spacious, and there is enough cabinets. All of these are the cabinets here. They are enough, so you have enough space to do your cooking and everything, as you also talk with your guests or your family. Here we have the living area, which is also so spacious. The living area, which is also so spacious, and I love this idea of the open door, which is giving this living area elegance and also natural lighting. From the living area, I walk you through all the way to our first bedroom, so come with me. Our first bedroom is right here, which is also so spacious and enough wardrobes for the clothing. And here's the mirror, the dressing mirror, enough cabinet and the wardrobes. Also, it has that idea of this transparent door, sliding door, also to give the natural lighting into your bed, the first bedroom. And from the first bedroom, I will take you to the laundry area. Come with me. It's right here. It's so spacious also. We have the hanging lines here. We have the provision of the sockets for the machine, and the tap is here. And to remind you, we have both borehole and Nairobi City Council water. That means you will not run out of water supply in this apartment. From this laundry area, I will take you to the common cloakroom, which is at the farthest corner. This is used by the guests and the person who is in the first bedroom. The sink, the toilet, and the wet area is here. And to note, the finishing is perfect. Very modern finishes in this apartment. From the common cloakroom, I will take you through now to the master and suite, and it is huge and well finished. So here is our master and suite. Again, the idea of these big windows to give the whole room natural lighting, especially during the day, and also a great view of the Nairobi city. The Hurlingham Kilimani area is here, and also the wardrobes, enough for your clothes, enough storage, enough wardrobes. And since I told you it is master and suite bedroom, let's get into the washroom. The toilet is here, the sink is here, and the wet area is right here. You can see the apartment is well organized. Everything, every room at its own right place. This apartment comes with incredible amenities that elevate your everyday living. You will enjoy a fully equipped gym, a rooftop sitting area with stunning city views, and a swimming pool perfect for relaxation. There is also a beautiful event space for your private gatherings, and for your convenience, the building has 3 high-speed lifts, a backup generator, and a Wi-Fi connectivity throughout. You also get ample parking, round-the-clock CCTV surveillance with professional security, and a borehole to ensure a constant water supply. Everything here is designed to offer you comfort, safety, and a luxurious lifestyle. As you can see, every space here is designed for comfort and style, ideal for anyone looking for a modern, long-term home in Hurlingham. And the best part, it's going for just 95,000 Kenya shillings per month with only 2 months deposits. If you would love to make this elegant apartment your new home, reach out to schedule a viewing. I will be happy to show you around.